In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete blank rows between data in Excel. If you have a worksheet with gaps scattered between your entries, this is a quick and reliable way to clean everything up without manually deleting rows one by one. The goal here is to turn your data into a table, filter for the blank entries, and then remove those empty rows so your list becomes continuous again. Start by highlighting the data you want to clean up. Make sure you select the full range that contains your information, including the area where the blank rows appear. This is important because Excel needs to know exactly which section of the sheet you want to work with. Once your data is selected, press Ctrl+T on your keyboard. This shortcut converts the selected range into an Excel table. Using a table makes it much easier to sort and filter your data accurately, especially when you're trying to isolate blank rows. A small dialog box will appear asking you to confirm the table range. If everything looks correct, click OK. At this point, Excel will format the range as a table and add filter arrows to the column headers. Next, click the drop-down arrow in the column you want to use for finding the blank rows. In most cases, choose a column that should normally contain data for every row. This helps make sure you're identifying truly blank rows within your data set. When the filter menu opens, click Select All to unselect everything. This quickly clears the current choices so you can focus only on the empty cells. After that, click Blanks. This tells Excel to show only the rows where that selected column is empty. Once the filter is applied, you'll see just the blank entries, which makes them much easier to remove safely. Now highlight the blank rows that are visible. Be careful to select the blank rows in the filtered results so you're targeting only the empty entries and not the rows that contain actual data. With those blank rows selected, press Ctrl and the minus key. This opens the delete action and removes the selected blank rows from the table. Once that's done, your data should close up neatly, leaving you with a clean list and no empty gaps in between. This method is especially helpful for larger spreadsheets because it saves time and reduces the chance of deleting the wrong rows manually. And that's how to delete blank rows between data in Excel.